one day all of this will be your son. Just like I gave to you, son. Are you ready, son?
No.
With this, son, what are the statistics of the houses sold over the last 3 weeks?
They've been plummeting, sir. 35 out of 50 bought.
Ridiculous! What's your excuse?
Well, the rent's too high.
Make the kid fire! It'll toughen up his bones. Fire her.
I will not fire her.
You have no choice.
I said I will not fire her.
Hi, Max.
Hey Rob, meet you at the park. I'm ready. Hopefully our plan is successful.
What do you think you're doing?
What?
Why do you need a bag full of food containers to go to the shop and get bread?
Because the food containers is to put the bread in.
Are you trying to escape or something?
No.
I've just got fired for completely unnecessarily, and I don't need you trying to pull some crazy escape. Go upstairs and do your homework.
Waste of a generation. That damn kid ran away just like my class. Oh, he's messing around in the streets I got now. I'm tired. Fine. Gosh. What's that? What was that? Why?
Are you the detective?
Officer Conradin at your service.
I need someone to find my son. My fat dad's no use. I'm looking... My son's all I have. He's my heir to the estate agency. I really need someone to take over the estate agency when I'm gone.
Don't worry, I'll find him.
Are you Max Snitchicane?
us your money. You will pop your guts full of lead.
Not much of a talking to like.
Maybe you'll be more talkative in heaven.
What are you doing? You clearly have no money.
Says who? Says he? And why do you care, sister?
Because I don't want to have to watch you three make a fool of yourself.
Who says we don't just kill people and make it fun?
The police. And unless you want to go to prison over a small murdering business, I suggest you stop. Come on, let's go.
Hold on. Wait a minute. Get back!
Thanks. Thank you. So, how'd you end up here?
It all started on a date my dad brought me to his estate. I did not like it, so I ran away.
What next?
I also nearly escaped from my bad grandpa's clutches. He also hired a man to hunt me down. So one day he saw me. He nearly catch me, but I dodged him and he fell down.
So, what do you really want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a pilot because I love flying.
That sounds like the stuff of movies. You know, a movie that I'd watch.